This is the video of all on 4+1, and that's because of that existing implant that we are planning on keeping. But we need to put one implant distal to that existing implant, which would place it right under the sinus and not enough height of the sinus. The sinus is about 3-4 millimeters from the crest of the ridge. So we need to do a sinus elevation. We get the person numb, the incision around that implant, and continue on the canine to be able to reflect that flap, the flap with the wider base, then reflecting the flap. Now once the flap is reflected, we go to the crest of the ridge with the round burr, making a small circle axis until we see the blue membrane. Then we're using the Implanova punch. We punch on that floor of the sinus until it drops in. Then we go with the spreader, and then the dilator. We alternate between the two of them until the dilator gets fully seated. Then we use the spreader with a little bone graft to spread the bone graft around. Another round of dilator and spreader. And then we place the implant in that position. Implanova 5.5 by 8. We take it till 45 Newton with the machine, and then use the hand ratchet to place it subcrestal, and that's what we get. This is our sinus floor of the sinus elevation, and that's how it looks. Now we proceed to the rest of the teeth.